Díogwit agus fáilte arás. In this Irish language video we're going to look at some words and phrases to do with the weather. So how to talk about the weather. Let's start with this word here, which is greenver. Greenver means sunny. Lá bra greenver means a fine sunny day. Lá bra greenver. Beg sé greenver inniuh. It will be sunny today. Beg sé greenver inniuh. And if you wanted to say the sun is splitting the stones, you could say this. Tá an green ag scuilte na gluch. Tá an green ag scuilte na gluch. The sun is splitting the stones. Next we have báisteach, which means rain. Báisteach. And lá báistí means a rainy day. Lá báistí. Tá báisteach ag titim. The rain is falling. Tá báisteach ag titim. Bhí sé ag báisteach ar feadh an lá. It was raining all day, or it was raining throughout the day. Bhí sé ag báisteach ar feadh an lá. Next is scamalach, which means cloudy. Scamalach. I'm sure scamalach is cloudy weather. And bhí sé scamalach inné. It was cloudy yesterday. Bhí sé scamalach inné. And you could say nach bhfuil sé scamalach amuigh an sin. Is it not cloudy out there? Nach bhfuil sé scamalach amuigh an sin. This is the Irish word for cold. Fuair. Fuair means cold. Lá fuair atá ann. It's a cold day. Lá fuair atá ann. Ní maithlam an fuacht. I don't like the cold. Ní maithlam an fuacht. Bhí sé préachta leis an bhuacht. He was freezing with the cold, or he was frozen. Bhí sé préachta leis an bhuacht. If you enjoyed this, please give it a like and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to let me know in the comment section below some of your favourite phrases when you're talking about the weather as Gaeilge. Sin é, gur magat agus feiceadh mé go luathú mar sin.